chapter 26. And it came to pass after the plague that the Lord spake unto Moses and unto Eleazar the son of Aaron the priest, saying, Take the sum of all the congregation of the children of Israel from 20 years old and upward throughout their father's house, all that are able to go to war in Israel. And Moses and Eleazar the priest spake with them in the plains of Moab by Jordan near Jericho, saying, Take the sum of the people from 20 years old and upward, as the Lord commanded Moses and the children of Israel, which went forth out of the land of Egypt. Reuben, the eldest son of Israel, the children of Reuben, Anok, of whom cometh the family of Anokites, of Pallu, the family of Palluites, of Esron, the family of Esronites, of Carmi, the family of Carmites. These are the families of the Reubenites, and they that were numbered of them were 43,730. And the sons of Pallu, Eliab. And the sons of Eliab, Nemuel and Dathan and Abiram. This is that Dathan and Abiram which were famous in the congregation, who strove against Moses and against Aaron in the company of Korah, when they strove against the Lord. And the earth opened her mouth and swallowed them up together with Korah, when that company died, what time the fire devoured 250 men, and they became a sign. Notwithstanding, the children of Korah died not. The sons of Simeon after their families, of Nemuel, the family of Nemuelites, of Yamin, the family of Yaminites, of Yachin, the family of Yachinites, of Zerah, the family of Zerahites, of Shaul, the family of Shaulites. These are the families of the Simeonites, 20,200. The children of Gad after their families, of Zephon, the family of Zephonites, of Aggi, the family of Aggites, of Shuni, the family of Shunites, of Ozni, the family of the Oznites, of Eri, the family of Erites, of Aroth, the family of the Aroites, of Areli, the family of Arelites. These are the families of the children of Gad according to those that were numbered of them, 40,500. The sons of Judah were Er and Onan, and Er and Onan died in the land of Canaan. And the sons of Judah after their families were, of Shelah, the family of Shelanites, of Pares, the family of Pareshites, of Jerah, the family of Sharhites. And the sons of Paresh were, of Esron, the family of the Esronites, of Amul, the family of the Amulites. These are the families of Judah according to those that were numbered of them, 316,500. Of the sons of Issachar after their families, of Tola, the family of Tolaites, of Puah, the family of Punites, of Jashub, the family of Jashubites, of Shimron, the family of the Shimronites. These are the families of Issachar according to those that were numbered of them, 304,300. Of the sons of Zebulun after their families, of Sereth, the family of Sardites, of Elon, the family of Elonites, of Yahel, the family of Yahelites. These are the families of Zebulonites, according to those that were numbered of them, 70,500. The sons of Joseph after their families were Manasseh and Ephraim. Of the sons of Manasseh, Mahir, the family of the Mahirites, and Mahir begat Gilead. Of Gilead come the family of Gileadites. These are the sons of Gilead. Of Yasher, the family of Yasherites. Of Elek, the family of Elielekites, and of Asriel, the family of Asrielites, and of Shechem, the family of the Shechemites, and of Shemidah, the family of the Shemidahites, and Epher, the family of the Epherites. And Zelophehad, the son of Epher, had no sons but daughters, and the names of the daughters of Zelophehad were Mahla, and Noah, Okla, Milcah, and Tirsha. These are the families of Manasseh, and those that were numbered of them 52,700. These are the sons of Ephraim after their families. Of Shuthelah, the family of Shuthalites. Of Becher, the family of Becherites. Of Tahan, the family of Tahanites. And these are the sons of Shuthelah of Aaron, the family of the Aaronites. These are the families of the sons of Ephraim according to those that were numbered of them, 32,500. These are the sons of Joseph after their families. The sons of Benjamin after their families. Of Bela, the family of the Belaites. Of Ashbel, the family of the Ashbelites. Of Ahiram, the family of Ahiramites. Of Shupam, the family of Shupamites. Of Hupam, the family of Hupamites. And the sons of Bela were Ard and Naaman. Of Ard, the family of the Ardites, and the Naaman, the family of Naamanites. These are the sons of Benjamin after their families, and they that were numbered of them were 45,600. These are the sons of Dan after their families. Of Shuham, the family of the Suhamites. These are the families of Dan after their families. All the families of the Suhamites, according to those that were numbered of them, were 64,400. Of the children of Asher after their families. Of Zimna, the family of the Zimnites. Of Jeshui, the family of the Jeshuites. Of Beriah, the family of Beriites. Of the sons of Beriah. Of Eber, the family of the Eberites. Of Milkael, the family of Milkaelites. And the name of the daughter of Asher was Sarah. These are the families of the sons of Asher according to those that were numbered of them, who were 53,400. Of the sons of Naphtali after their families. Of Yachzeel, the family of the Yachzeelites. Of Cuni, the family of Cunites. Of Yazer, the family of Yazerites. Of Shillem, the family of the Shillemites. These are the families of Naphtali according to their families. and they that were numbered of them were 40 and 5,400. These were the number of the children of Israel, 600,000 and 1,730. And the Lord spake unto Moses, saying, Unto these the land shall be divided for an inheritance according to the number of names. To many thou shalt give the more inheritance, and to few thou shalt give the less inheritance. To every one shall his inheritance be given according to those that were numbered of him. Notwithstanding, the land shall be divided by lot according to the names of the tribes of their fathers, they shall inherit. According to the lot shall the possession thereof be divided between many and few. And these are they that were numbered of the Levites after their families. Of Gershon, the family of the Gershonites. Of Kohath, the family of the Kohathites. Of Merari, the family of Merarites. These are the families of the Levites, the family of Libnites, the family of Hebronites, the family of Machalites, the family of the Mushites, the family of the Korathites. And Korath begat Amram. And the name of Amram's wife was Jochebed, the daughter of Levi, whom her mother bare to Levi in Egypt. And she bare unto Amram Aaron and Moses and Miriam their sister. And unto Aaron was born Nadab and Abihu, Eleazar and Ithamar. And Nadab and Abihu died when they offered strange fire before the Lord. And those that were numbered of them were 23,000, all males from a month old and upward. For they were not numbered among the children of Israel, because there was no inheritance given them among the children of Israel. These are they that were numbered by Moses and Eleazar the priest, who numbered the children of Israel in the plains of Moab by Jordan near Jericho. But among these there was not a man of them whom Moses and Aaron the priest numbered, when they numbered the children of Israel in the wilderness of Sinai. For the Lord had said of them, They shall surely die in the wilderness, and there was not left a man of them, save Caleb the son of Jephunneh, and Joshua the son of Nun.